What's up guys, Nilay here from Vids for you. One of my favorite things to do here on Vids for you to look at relatively inexpensive items that you might not expect to be good. Let's say value for money gadgets. So I'm back with another best budget wireless headphones. Today we're gonna look at this iTeknic wireless stereo headphones unboxing and review. I was searching adjustable cups best headphones under $50 for a long time. Finally I found these iTeknic headphones with active noise cancelling and Bluetooth 5.0. Yes, you heard it right. In just $49, this is the best headphones available on Amazon. Moreover, I have 20% off special discount code in video description, so check it out. Now on the package, the front shows product design with highlighted features. On the one side here is the product functions followed by iTeknic web and social networks. While other side it has specifications. Now without any further ado, let's get inside and find out more about these headphones. Here is a nice protective case with iTeknic logo, stylish black design with engineered zippers. It's hard enough to prevent your headset from damage, a bit waterproof, but don't dump in a bucket though. While opening, the zippers feel sturdy and overall case finish is nice. On the first we have a swivel mechanism of ear cups. On the other side, internal pouch to carry additional accessories like cables, plugs or ear pads in the case, making it easy to carry your headphones around. Now carrying headphones is a piece of cake. Here we have free 12 months extended warranty, plus you get 12 months warranty from iTeknic. To get this, just send your purchase details to support team. Next is a USB to charge your headphones. Also here is a 3.5mm aux cable. This will be helpful when your Bluetooth is prohibited or in a flight mode. And last is a user guide. Finally here is the headphones. My first reactions, this feels pretty substantial and lightweight. Here it's an impressive iTeknic logo on each side of the headset. It's a very thick cushion padding with leather material, which reduces unwanted background noise for clear conversation. On the top also you get a leather cushion for head comfort. It's matte finish and thick build, which gives premium look. You get to adjust it according to your head. Just pull it up like this on both sides. Also twist freely like this for storing and keep it aside. On the left ear cup it's micro USB for charging along with LED notification. The LED indicator turns red while charging and turns off on fully charged. The battery capacity is of 500 mAh. For me it's fully charged in just 45 minutes. If we talk about battery life, it gives enough for 19 hours of talk time over Bluetooth and up to 40 hours in wired mode. Furthermore, it gives 14 to 15 hours of playtime. Talking about the right ear cup, here is volume controls, which also works to change tracks. Second is a power button, which works for play, pause and answer calls. Holding power button for 2 seconds will reject calls. When the headphones are in use, the LED will blink every 5 seconds. Here is a 3.5mm audio port. Next to it is a mic. After that, active noise cancelling button, just switch it like this and the LED shows it's on. I can feel the difference with noise cancelling. The noise cancelling function can work well both in wire and wireless mode. With noise cancellation technology, these wireless headphones effectively reduce the noise of city traffic, plane cabin or busy office. Allows you to enjoy your audio in anytime, anywhere. The quick controls on ear cups are very handy to use, which is very helpful in business conversations using Skype or places like call centers, conference calls where you can quickly control. Now we'll give you the recorded voice on mic. The audio you are listening now is recorded on iTeknic. Let me know your opinion on audio quality in the comment section. To connect the Bluetooth, hold the power button for 5 seconds until you see red and blue LED blinks. It's ready to pair. Now searching, you get iTeknic IKPH002. It's a model number. Now it's connected for call and media audio. How easy is that? It's time for little music. For the sound quality, what I experienced is the iTeknic sound is amazing even when in calls. It is crisp and clear and full. I can hear so much more in the same music I have been listening from years. It's hard to explain, but the other headset seems decompressed while the iTeknic feels full. The highs are better on the iTeknic and there is a separation in the music. The other headphones sound is good but compressed and almost muddy compared to this. By wearing more than 3 hours, I feel little heavy on my head. So take off the headphone every hour to get your ears relaxed and protect them from muggy environment in use. These headphones is truly comfortable. The ear cups are soft, there is no clumping, and the top band is padded so it's less annoying on the top of the head. The housing design reduces pressure on your head, while its outside texture enhances grip. For these headphones, we have 20% off discount coupon especially for you. Don't forget to check out the link in video description. For now, signing off, and I see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe us and press the bell icon to get the regular notification. Thank you for being with me and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends.